Welcome to the Knowing Your Sport TS video. Balistron defines its business as building iconic and exciting mobility solutions to celebrate the future through unique styling, quality, superior safety, purposeful engineering to embrace passion for ride. Every line, surface, and detail of the Sport TS motorcycle is crafted with purpose. From its sculpted bodywork to its seamless integration of advanced electric technology, it embodies elegance in motion. This is not just performance, it is a statement of modern design, precision, and refined electric power. The TS is an eye-catching product with its style, accessories, and technical details of safety and comfort. You can customize your Sport TS. There are options for partial or full body graphics. You can choose one of the S, R, or RR stylings, designed by a talented artist Omer Uygun, working for Racing Graphics Company who serves international clients in racing world and private owners. There is also an option to change the color, material, and style of your seat set. Choices are unlimited to have the one and only motorcycle of yours. In the next moments, it's our pleasure to introduce you to details of the Sport TS, from its features to ownership.
Balistron's motto is unmatched safety and comfort seamlessly integrated into your lifestyle. Here in this presentation video, we will take you to a journey around your Sport TS to share with you what have been the priorities of the engineering and commercial teams to bring you the best possible combination of specifications on your motorcycle. Daytime running lights are turned immediately on by the moment you turn your Sport TS on. This feature gives great visibility to other drivers in traffic. Headlights are combined with stylish turn signal lights, and when turn signals are on, white daytime light line turns into yellow turn signal. Your TS is equipped with rear LED combination lights. In a single sleek line, stop lights, bake light, and turn signal lights are combined. Visibility is powerful and looks are unique. The rear LED combination lights underlines the sportiness of the TS. For maximum safety of the rider and passenger, Balistron is equipped with 2-channel ABS and traction control system. In the future of this class of two-wheeler mobility, these safety features may become mandatory to supply. However, today, it's Balistron's choice to present these features to its customers on Sport TS as part of our priority of bringing high safety level. When the motorcycle is turned on, ABS light is on. After 30 km/h speed, the light turns off automatically. ABS cannot be canceled. However, if riders should need so, the TCS function can be turned off. On the other hand, we recommend all riders to keep the TCS on at all times. Balistron Sport comes with standard 17-inch rims and Pirelli Diablo tires as standard for European markets. Front wheel has double disc brakes and rear wheel comes with single disc. Engine sound on a motorcycle is arguably one of the main attractions of riders. Aftermarket mufflers provide many options too, according to different tastes. Passenger car manufacturers have been using sound simulation assistance technologies on ICE and electric cars for a while, and they are serving well. However, when it comes to electric motorcycles, this issue becomes a great point of discussion. Balistron offers the Sport TS owners dual speakers with a unique sound of its own to let pedestrians and drivers in traffic to be aware for maximum safety of the rider and passenger. Even more to that, you can select to turn the sound simulator on as you ignite your Sport TS, or turn on and off anytime and anywhere you like. Isn't that a great option? If you still think an electric motorcycle must run in pure silence at all times, then removing the speakers is so easy too. Your 5-inch TFT screen is multifunctional. On your Sport TS, you have improved safety with the front camera that is always on. This camera can record the last 4 hours of your rides. Check the red microphone icon to be sure that the camera is in action. For more information on availability of front and rear camera, recording, and video features, please check your owner's manual. Your Sport TS comes with alarm feature for increased protection against undesired situations. The key fob is the control of setting the alarm, as well as setting the start and stop functions before pushing the start-stop button. Power cutoff switch, or commonly known as the kill switch, is located in the right handle control button set. Before you turn your Sport TS on, make sure it is in off position and keep it in off when parking at all times. When your Sport TS is turned on, the riding mode is in parking and can be visible on the speedometer. While the switch is still off and brakes are engaged and released before ride, riding mode can shift and be visible on the screen. Even then, your motorcycle will not move. Remember that Sport TS does not have neutral gear position in riding modes, and kill switch function is rider's responsibility to check while not moving. Also, do not turn the switch to off position while riding. This may cause serious consequences. Check both handles on your Sport TS, and on the left, you can see the settings for the heater of handles, and on the right is the heater function of the rider seat. Both can be adjusted according to your need and should be set to off once you do not need heating anymore. Balistron Sport TS has the adjustable front and rear suspension feature. You can change settings according to your riding style and road conditions. Reverse gear is a great feature, especially when you need to park your motorcycle or load on a vehicle backwards. Only electric motor makes it so easy for the rider. Sport TS reverse mode is selected in the ride mode selector switch. For your mobile phone or other electronic devices, power supply is right there for you. Plug in the charge port easily and don't worry about running out of batteries. Balistron Sport TS comes with push-button start-stop feature. You can use the two-step start function with your key fob or set it to direct push-and-go option by setting it on your key fob. Check your owner's manual to see how to do it. Tire pressure monitoring system brings the convenience and link to safety of your rides. Changes in tire pressure may create undesired situations, so refer to the owner's manual about the recommended tire pressure level and use of TPMS. Balistron Sport comes with cruise control system. The button on the left controls enable the motorcycle to maintain the speed during ride. This feature is rider's assistant, where speed limits or average speed monitoring is active. Styling is complete with the single-arm rear wheel. The wheel is integrated with the electric motor, and direct drive of permanent magnet motor brings smooth yet quick engagement of power where there is a need of immediate power. Single arm makes it very easy to change tire or servicing when needed. Thanks to electric power, Sport TS tank cap does not need to be locked. So styling of the aluminum cap adds beauty to the tank design, and unique B logo completes the convenient design of the charge port. Another benefit is no key scratches around the charge port.
To start and stop your motorcycle, you can have two alternatives. If you choose to start-stop your motorcycle with keyless option, then please set your motorcycle accordingly. For setting the motorcycle to ride with the key fob in your pocket, simply press the key button on the fob for 5 seconds. Then onwards, you can always start your motorcycle with the key in your pocket. If you want to change back to the factory setting, then press the same button for 5 seconds. Your motorcycle is set for a 2-step safety system. Before pushing start-stop button on the handlebar, please first press the key button on the fob once. Then start your motorcycle. Every crate includes a portable European Type 2 charge cable. Your Sport TS can be charged at any plug in the grid or at AC wall charger units. Please remember the cost of power may vary according to your choice. Charging process is controlled automatically by charging procedures to satisfy the requirements of battery management system. Now we'd like to give you some hints about charging your motorcycle, so please pay attention to below highlights. Prefer to charge your motorcycle outdoors at all times. For safety reasons, connect your portable charge cable to the grid power supply only. Ensure the vent of the charger remains unobstructed and prevent the charger from overheating. Keep charge cable away from any heat source and dustproof to avoid affecting the heat dissipation effect of the charger. The location should be waterproof and attention should be paid to avoiding splashing water of the driving wheel and dripping water from other parts such as the condenser to avoid the liquid slowly infiltrating into the charger, affecting the normal operation of the charger. Ensure that the AC supply voltage and current are consistent with the allowable input voltage and current of the charger. If the charger is found to be working abnormally or damaged during charging, please unplug the power plug and the charger interface immediately and contact the supplier. It is strictly forbidden to disassemble the charger inside the motorcycle by oneself. Opening the cover of the charger at will lead to electric shock or serious injury. Prevent damage to charger harness. If it is found that the harness is worn or damaged, please replace it immediately by visiting your service workshop. Compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, electric mobility products are more owner-friendly. However, that does not mean that electric vehicles do not need any periodical checks and services. Please refer to your owner's manual and consult your service workshop to maintain the condition of your Balistron product. You are suggested to use genuine spare parts and accessories approved by your local service workshop. This will keep the residual value of your investment high, and you can enjoy ownership within the warranty terms and conditions. Washing and cleaning gives you a chance to inspect the condition of the vehicle more frequently. Be sure to wash the vehicle after riding in the snow, rain, or near the sea because salt is corrosive to metals. Excessive water pressure may cause water seepage and deterioration of wheel bearings, brakes, and electrical devices. Avoid high-pressure detergent applications, such as those available in coin-operated car washers. Be careful to choose cleaning wax on matte-finished parts. Brushes can scratch and damage the matte finish, so use soft sponge or towel only. Towels, sponges, or brushes contaminated with abrasive cleaning products or strong chemicals such as solvents, gasoline, rust removers, brake fluid, or antifreeze may negatively affect the metal and plastic surfaces. Improper cleaning can cause cosmetic and mechanical damage. See your Balistron authorized service for additional cleaning tips. Always store the vehicle in a cool, dry place. If necessary, protect it against dust with a porous cover. Storing the vehicle in a poorly ventilated room or covering it while it is still wet will allow water and humidity to seep in and cause rust. To prevent corrosion, avoid damp cellars and areas where strong chemicals are stored. Long-term storage is defined as storage lasting longer than 8 weeks. Before storing the vehicle long-term, please pay attention to below actions. Make all necessary repairs and perform any outstanding maintenance. Lubricate all control cables, pivots, and levers, as well as the side stand. Check and correct the tire air pressure, and then lift the vehicle so that all wheels are off the ground. Otherwise, turn the wheels a little once a month in order to prevent the tires from becoming degraded in one spot. Make sure the charging is checked once every week and keep charge level between 20 and 80%. Leaving your electric motorcycle without checking battery charge level for a longer period may cause permanent damage on the battery and may lose warranty coverage. In case recommended actions were not followed during long-time storage and your motorcycle does not turn on, contact your nearest service workshop. It is strictly not recommended to owners to attempt any repair, change, or under no other definition apply electrical or mechanical revisions on your motorcycle. In case you may need technical support, please contact your nearest service workshop. The battery inside your motorcycle gets in the protection mode if charge level goes below 10%. This is a critical level to extend the life of the lithium battery cells. During protection mode, the ECU will not let the motorcycle to be charged and controlled. The button on the BMS is the activation switch on the right side of the motorcycle. In such a case, your service technician will disassemble the fairings on the right side and push the activation button. This action is the last move, and if that fails, then you may need a new battery pack to replace the battery pack that is not possible to recover. This may be one of the rare chances that you can have a closer look inside your state-of-the-art electric motorcycle. The reason we say that is it is strictly not recommended to owners to attempt any repair, change, or under no other definition apply electrical or mechanical revisions on your motorcycle. In case you may need technical support, please contact your nearest service workshop. Please do not forget, Balistron constantly works on product development based on customer and market requirements. Accordingly, the information shared in this presentation may vary from the product you test or own. So please consult your nearest dealer to get the most up-to-date information on styling, equipment, performance, and servicing-related details. Thanks for watching, and don't miss other content provided by Balistron. Your opinion is valuable for us, so please reach us for your questions by dropping us a line at contact@balistron.com.